National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11 p.m. At 10:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Mount Horeb, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Madison, Fitchburg, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Mount Horeb, Belleville, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Blanchardville, Barneville, Blue Mounds, Dayton, Ridgeway, Hallandale, Attica, Paoli, and Pine Bluff. People attending the Belleville Community Picnic should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.